The Phoenix camper van is a unique and innovative do-it-yourself camper, originally designed by Robert Q. Riley, founder of Robert Q. Riley Enterprises, based in Chandler, Arizona. This futuristic vehicle first appeared in the 1970s and was later featured in Popular Mechanics magazine and even in the film Total Recall, 1990. Unlike mass-produced recreational vehicles, the Phoenix was meant to be built at home, using only common tools like a drill, jigsaw, and metal saw. Riley's company sold detailed instructions and material lists, allowing enthusiasts to transform a Volkswagen bus into a one-of-a-kind camper. The Phoenix is based on the Volkswagen Type 2 chassis. The instructions are compatible with Volkswagen transporter models from the mid-1950s to the end of the T2 production era. Builders start by removing all external parts from the donor van, detaching the original body and adding a new safety cage. The camper body is constructed using foam panels shaped according to templates, which are then glued, layered with fiberglass inside and out, and finished with resin. One of the most striking features is the use of gullwing doors, offering easy access to the front cabin, where two bucket seats and a central aisle lead to the rear. On each side, bench seats double as sleeping areas and contain large storage compartments underneath. When parked, the roof lifts and the sidewalls fold out, creating a spacious room with a central interior height of 1.8 meters and an expanded width of over 3.6 meters. The kitchen unit is located at the rear above the engine compartment. It includes a 2-burner propane stove, a mirror-faced icebox, and a sink. A 9-gallon plastic water tank is placed under the icebox. All this is built onto a compact, rear-engine, rear-wheel drive Volkswagen platform, maintaining efficient space usage. In the 1980s, the design was slightly updated and marketed as the Renegade, featuring cosmetic changes like different side windows and foam-filled bumpers. One custom build, known as the Phoenix 2, took over 3 years to complete. It used sandwich panels made of fiberglass and urethane foam on a metal frame and introduced new features such as additional gullwing doors, sliding front windows, and a front end with 5 headlights. This version also utilized a Transvair adapter kit to install a 6-cylinder Corvair engine with an automatic transmission. Today, the Phoenix remains a rare and admired example of retro-futuristic camper design. Though it was never street legal in some countries, it continues to inspire enthusiasts with its imaginative layout, do-it-yourself spirit, and bold departure from conventional recreational vehicle aesthetics.